Namaste. Welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today we will make a very healthy and tasty snack, steamed muthias. This is a snack from Gujarati cuisine. So for that, the ingredients we require are wheat flour. I have taken 1 cup, 1 cup of finely chopped cabbage, 2 tablespoons of gram flour or besan, and 2 green chillies, a small piece of ginger. Apart from that, you will need salt, turmeric powder, coriander seeds powder and chilli powder, a little bit of oil. This is cooking soda, some sugar, a teaspoon of lemon juice, coriander leaves and mustard seeds and white sesame seeds for tempering. So we can start the recipe. First you take all the ingredients together one by one except that for tempering and bind them together. So this is 1 cup of wheat flour. Before that, let us grind the green chilli and ginger to a paste. So 2 green chillies, just chop them, and a small piece of ginger, grind it to a paste. The green chilli and ginger have been blended together. So to the wheat flour, I am adding the gram flour, chopped cabbage. You can chop it or even finely grate it, that is also fine. 1 tablespoon of finely chopped coriander leaves. Then add in the ground chilli and ginger paste. Next we'll add all the masalas one by one. Add salt to taste, some turmeric powder, chilli powder, and this is dania powder or coriander seeds powder. Mix them all together very well. Finally, add in, this is just 1/4 teaspoon of cooking soda. Mix that also. This is 1 teaspoon of lime juice. Sugar is optional. As I always say, Gujaratis are very sweet people. They add a little bit of sugar to most of the dishes which they make. So if you are making it for diabetics or Weight Watchers and you want to avoid the sugar, just omit the sugar, there is no problem. I'd like to add just 1 teaspoon of sugar to it. Add a little water. Finally, add some oil and bring it together like a dough. Smear a little bit of oil in your palm. Take out a small portion of this dough and we'll make it into a cylinder shape like this. Roll it out into a long cylinder shape. See, we have made thick long rolls with this dough. We are going to steam these rolls. So here I have taken some water, just kept a stand, and I am keeping a sieve on it so that I can steam it. Whatever steamer you have at home, you can use that. And then we place these rolls onto this. Cover it and steam it on a medium flame till done. Now let's check if the rolls are done. Take a knife and insert it. It should come out clean. See, they are done. Switch off the gas and allow it to cool. When cool, we are going to cut these rolls into pieces. Next, we are going to stir fry the muthias. Heat some oil in a pan. Add a teaspoon of mustard seeds. And when they splutter, add a teaspoon of white til seeds or sesame seeds also to it. Next, add in the sliced muthia pieces to it and stir fry them for a couple of minutes. See, your steamed muthias are done and they can now be served. You should stir fry them till they become slightly reddish and you get a slightly crispy outer layer, and serve them. You can top some fresh coriander leaves. Your healthy snack, steamed cabbage muthia, is now ready. It can be served as an appetizer either with lunch or dinner, or even just as a snack at tea time also. We can serve it. I like to have it like that too. This tastes just great when served along with some green chutney too. I have given the recipe for the green chutney in my earlier uploaded videos. You can see that on my channel. A blend of mint leaves, coriander leaves, green chilli, salt and lemon juice. Please try out this healthy, tasty snack. It's just awesome. And please subscribe to Geeta's Kitchen. Share the recipe with your family and friends. Tap the bell icon for notification about my latest videos. See you again in another video with another interesting recipe. Thank you.